Are you ready to elevate your jewelry business? Discover how Govinda Luxe can be your partner in achieving higher profitability and efficiency. Learn from our expertise to strengthen your operations. Govinda Luxe specializes in manufacturing high-quality diamond jewelry. We offer natural CVD lab-grown and moissanite diamond pieces. All our creations are finished in 14 and 18 karat gold. Our experience spans across India, the United States, and global markets. We share our insights to make your business more profitable. This channel exists to help you avoid costly mistakes. Common issues include mismatched stones and loose settings. Incorrect pricing can lead to repeated profit losses. With the right knowledge, you can achieve smoother operations. Our videos guide you to higher margins and fewer returns. Each video covers practical topics for your business. Learn about stones, pricing strategies, and gold purity. Discover catalog planning and sales tips for staff. We aim to help you grow and succeed. When you grow, we grow together. Always check stone settings upon receiving new jewelry. Hold the piece under good light and press the setting gently. Look for any movement of the stone. Loose settings lead to customer returns. A quick check protects your profit and reputation. Natural diamonds offer tradition and prestige. CVD diamonds provide clarity and affordability. Moissanite is brilliant and cost-effective. Offering all three attracts diverse customers. Increase your store's conversion rate by diversifying options. Mind to Market is our jewelry education platform. It offers structured courses on various aspects of the business. Learn about diamonds, gold, manufacturing, and sales. The course builds a foundation for advanced strategies. Find the link in the video description. 18 karat gold is often perceived as superior. However, 14 karat gold is more durable for daily wear. It resists bending and holds stones securely. Choosing the right gold reduces repairs and enhances satisfaction. Understand when to use each type effectively. Through shared expertise, Govinda Luxe supports your business growth. Subscribe for practical insights and strategies. Let's enhance your jewelry operations together.